Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and you are enjoying your online classes, right? Yes. So, children, in our last class, we discussed about water and it's very important, right? Yes. And in our today's class, we are going to discuss about one more important topic and it's air. Yes, today we are going to study about air. Air is all around us, even in the room where you are sitting. But it cannot be seen, tasted, smelt or felt unless it is dirty. But you can feel the air when it moves, or that is when it blows. Even you can feel the air when it moves very fast, or you can hear it when it moves very fast. So children, today we will see few activities for which we need air. Let's see which all are there. Yes. So the first one is breathing, right? Yes, we need air, right? For breathing we need air. And then we need air for filling tires, right? You fill air in your tires, your bicycle tires, right? Yes, for that you need air. Even the birds need air for flying, right children? Yes, for flying birds need air. Then for drying clothes, yes, to dry our wet clothes we need air. Then for, yes, what is this boy doing? Yes, he is flying a kite, right? Yes, for flying kite also you need air. Then yes, for blowing candles you need air. For rotating a paper fan, yes, without air will it rotate? No, right? Yes, so for rotating a paper fan also you need air. For blowing bubbles, I hope you all enjoy doing this, right? But for that also you need air. And finally, for blowing a balloon you need air. So children, these are few activities for which you need air. So children, now we'll learn one more topic today, that is about pollution. Can anybody tell me what is pollution? I will tell you, okay. So pollution is when something is added to the environment which is harmful or poisonous for the living thing. Okay. So children, is pollution a good thing or a bad thing? Yes, it's not at all a good thing, right? Yes. So today we'll study about air pollution and water pollution. So first let's see what is air pollution. Air pollution occurs when dust, smoke, gases or odor gets into the air and makes it unclean. Okay? So what is air pollution? When the dust, smoke and bad odor gets into the air and makes it unclean. And the polluted air, it's not at all safe, right? It's not at all good and safe for living things like human beings, animals and also for the plants to live with. So now there are few things or sources that make smoke in the environment. So let's see which all are they. The first one is by burning the garbage, right? The smoke which is coming by burning the garbage, that is not at all good and it's polluting the air. Next is smoke from the factories. You might have noticed, right children, when you go out you can see a lot of smoke coming out of factories or industries. So these smoke, they pollute the air which we are breathing. Then you can see vehicles, okay, smoke from vehicles. You can see a lot of vehicles on road and these vehicles will produce a lot of smoke and that is also polluting the air which we breathe. So these are few sources of smoke that pollute the environment. Now next is water pollution. What is water pollution? When the natural water bodies, in our last class we discussed about water bodies, right? The sources of water, which all are they? Ocean, lake, right? Sea, river, etc. So when these natural water bodies, they get contaminated, okay? Contaminated means when the impurities are added into them by the man-made activities. So who is polluting water, children? It's we, the human being are polluting it, right? So let's see few activities that will pollute water. So which all are they? So let us see which all are they. So first one is throwing garbage into water bodies, okay? So first one is throwing garbage into water bodies. See, you can see the plastics, bottles, right? The tires, etc. in the water. So throwing garbage in water bodies is polluting our water, right? Yes. Then next is releasing wastewater into water bodies, right? All the waste waters which is coming from even our house or other places, it is coming directly into our water bodies and it's polluting it, right? Yes. Next is bathing animals in water bodies. That's again polluting the water, right? These water will be used by us for drinking and for other purpose, right? And when it is polluted, can we use it, children? No. And washing clothes in water bodies, that again pollute the water and makes it unfit for use. So these are few activities that are done by who? By us, that pollutes the water. So children, in our today's class, we discussed about water pollution, air pollution and the uses of air. So that's all for today's class. Bye bye. Thank you.